How to change profile name on Pinterest. Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video on our channel. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to our channel. Check out the content we offer. You can find useful tutorials. Thank you. And now I will show you how to change your profile name on your Pinterest account. Open the Pinterest app. Go to your profile by clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner. Then, press the Edit Profile button. Here you can change your first name, last name and other information on your account. In the first name field, you will see your current profile name. Click next to the name and delete it. After that, enter your new profile name and save the changes by clicking the Done button. A window will appear at the top of the screen notifying you that your profile has been updated. To see the changes right away, refresh the page. As you can see, the name has been changed. That would be the whole process. Like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more similar tutorials.